When you have bananas, this is what you can do with your bananas. Today we're going to be making some beautiful banana nuts bread, and you will love it. Stay tuned and let's dive into the video. Isn't this beautiful? Hello everyone, how are you all doing today? Welcome back to my channel. To my incredible subscribers, I want to say thank you for always tuning in to watch us on this platform. If you're just stopping by, my name is Ann Ndubeze and the name of my kitchen is Guchies Kitchen. Welcome and thank you for stopping by. Today we have on our table the beautiful recipes I'll be going on this beautiful banana nuts bread recipe. Okay guys, here I have 4 bananas which we're going to be using for this recipe. So I'm going to peel them up and match them all together. So guys, let's peel our bananas. So now we are done peeling our bananas. Let's mash them all together. I like to get lumps of bananas in my cake, whatever recipe I'm using it to do. Just like you get some, pieces of carrots in your carrot cake, you get some pieces of pineapples in your pineapple cake recipe. I just like that feeling that, oh, this is bananas. It makes me feel so good. I don't know if some other person feel that way. If you feel that way, let me know in the comment section. I'm just going to mash this and set it aside and get into other things. So I've gone in with some oil into my baking dish. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of flour just to make sure everything comes out nicely, and I'll set it aside. So in this bowl I'm going to add 2 sticks of butter. To this I'm going to add 3 cups of sugar, and then I'll mix until everything is well incorporated. So guys, as you can see, my butter and sugar has been nicely creamed. I'm going to crack 5 eggs into this bowl, and then we'll get mixing. So guys, I'm going to be adding this egg one at a time. Doing this is because you don't want it to get any lumps. You don't want to bake your bread and you see lumps in your bread. So add one at a time until everything is nicely incorporated. So next is my flour. I'll be going in with my flour. I have 4.5 cups of flour. In this same flour I have some nutmeg, so I'll go in with my flour and mix one at a time. I'm going to add in my salt and my baking powder and mix until it is well incorporated. I'm going to go in with my bananas and mix until it is nicely mixed. I'm going to add some of my vanilla extract. Yeah, all you need is just 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. At this point, my blender is really giving me some issues. My mixer, I think, is getting weak because the load was too much for it, so I decided to use my battler, which is the old method, but anyways, you can still get it done. I remember those days when we were learning how to make some cake many years ago. We usually use our wooden stick back in Nigeria, so I went back to that old school method. Old school, they say, is the best way, right? I'm going to go in with my milk. I'm using evaporated milk here. Right now I'm going to add my evaporated milk and mix everything together. So you can see it's all coming nicely and it has this lovely consistency that I was aiming for. Trust me guys, you want to do this and share this recipe with your family, friends and loved ones. I'm sure they will really appreciate it. Everyone in my family likes banana bread, and it's been a very long time when we all ate all of this goodness, and somebody reminded me this not quite long, and thank you, sis. And I just said, you know what, let me just go ahead and make this up to my family. Trust me, guys, it tastes so delicious. Guys, can't you see all those beautiful banana lumps? This is so delicious. I'll set my oven on 350 and let it preheat. So for this banana nut recipe, I'm using raisin and I'm using pecan. You can decide not to use any one, but I love to use nuts, and I love nuts in most of my recipes. Salad, cake, bread, I love nuts. So go ahead, make your choice. Okay, guys, and enjoy it. Now I'm going in with my pecans. Isn't that gorgeous? Oh my goodness, this looks so delicious. Now I'm going to add it to the baking tray so I can get it into the oven. Look at that consistency. Oh my goodness, that bread tastes so good. Look at all those nuts. Ooh, it looks so yummy already, guys. I have gone to America, guys. This is America. I am in America speaking American language right now. Yeah, almost all of them got some nuts, but this doesn't have nuts inside, but the other two has nuts inside, and I'm sure we're going to enjoy it. I set it into the oven. I got 3 trays, guys. Woo la la. We're going to enjoy ourselves today. Everybody's waiting for this recipe. Trust me, guys, it's going to come out delicious. Close it up and let it bake for 1 hour, and then we'll start enjoying. 1 hour later, our banana nut bread is ready, guys. Oh my god. So let's check. Yep, it's ready. Let's see. Woo! It's ready to be consumed right now. Everybody's ready for it. Yeah, guys, isn't that gorgeous? Woo! This is so beautiful. This is so lovely, guys. It tastes so good. It smells amazing right now in my kitchen. Guys, we are going to be doing a lot of baking this time around. We're going to be doing a lot of bakery this time around. Yeah, I have left it for too long because I'm running away from sweet. But trust me, guys, we need to go back to bakery, okay? Okay, guys, let me see your comment if you want me to go on with this beautiful cuties. If you want me to start making you all those beauties, let me know your comments in that comment section. Yeah, and if you have been watching till now, you haven't subscribed, what are you doing? Look at that deliciousness. Look at that deliciousness, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Save your bananas, guys, and make this delicious banana nut bread recipe. Yet, if you have watched till this time, you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please give me a thumbs up. Share my videos to your friends and loved ones. Leave me your beautiful comment if you love this recipe, and if you want me to go on, and let me know in the comment section. Thank you all so much for staying. Guchies team, be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful hearts. Everybody's waiting to enjoy this, guys. It tastes so delicious, so delicious. I can't stop admiring this. I just can't stop. See how gorgeous. I got 3. I didn't know I was going to get 3. But guys, we enjoy this. Do you know? Everyone got two slices, guys. Yes, it's time to start diving into it. Yeah, it is time to start diving into it, guys. Yeah, trust me, we first got the one that has no nuts inside, but trust me, guys, it was still so enjoying. It was so delicious. We all got two slices, and daddy came back. He was like, baby, you did it again. Yeah, do this for your family, friends, and loved ones, and I'm sure they will enjoy it. It's so fluffy, guys. So fluffy. It's still piping hot, but everybody wants to eat, so I have to cut some of it for everybody. But trust me, it came out so delicious and so amazing. I know is not enough.